What's up, people? Today I am going to talk about how to enter for your chance at winning a brand new Blackvue DR 900S 2-channel dash cam along with their Bravo 124 X-ray battery, their Power Magic Ultra battery for parking mode. And all you have to do is subscribe. It is really simple. I've been doing this type of giveaway for years. We've been giving away cash, we've been giving away car products, but the number one coolest thing that I get to give away are Blackvue dash cams. Blackvue is a sponsor of mine that I linked up with them early on when I first started this, and they've stuck with me since almost day one. And I love the fact that before I even had a car channel, before I even had a channel at all, I was looking for car tech. I was looking for something to protect my vehicle. I started trying all different types of dash cams. You may see in the earlier videos, I had a whole different assortment. Then I came across my very first Blackvue, which was a DR 650S. Soon after that, I started raving about the Blackvue dash cam, how awesome it was, all the things that it had. And that's when the company reached out to me and was like, hey, would you like to review future releases? And I was like, absolutely. So then we went from the 650S to the 750S. We gave away 750S. We gave a couple of 750Ss away. We went to the 900S. We've given quite a few 900Ss away. It's their 4K flagship current model right now. Mine has been running for, I'm guessing, a year and a half straight, non-stop. You know, my battery that I have under the seat, it's the Bravo 124, not the latest battery, but it lasts for about 17 hours for parking mode. And, you know, I wake up, I go to work, I recharge the battery. It's constantly running. Anyway, so every time we have a milestone here on the channel, like when we hit 5,000 subscribers, 10,000, 15,000, we've given away cash, we've given away a dash cam, or a couple of dash cams in the last one. We are really close to another milestone. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers, and we are going to give away another DR 900S 2-channel. This time, we're going to give you the battery too. That way you won't have to go out and buy one. Now, I always hear after the giveaway, ah, man, I didn't win. It's okay. If you don't win, always enter. Always take a chance at winning one for free. But you can always take the promo code that we have and get 10% off. I do suggest you buy one. Do your own fact checking and your own due diligence. Look online, check reviews, watch videos, not just mine, watch other channels and see what they say about all the dash cams out there. There's a couple of really good channels. There's Tech Radar, the guy, I think it's Tech Radar, who does nothing but like radar gun or radar detectors and dash cam reviews. You know, there's a lot of good information out there, but Blackvue is like the premier, one of the premier companies out there. So you don't have to get the most expensive one, but I do suggest that you get a dash cam. Yesterday, or the other day, it was raining. I was on this particular stretch of highway, right here, right where I'm talking to you now, and this happened, and we caught it on our dash cam. Check this out. But if you have these tires, and they're starting to wear after 5,000 miles, and you're starting to get a little bit of wear on them, be careful when you're driving in wet conditions, especially when it's pouring out. Right now it's fine. Oh, whoa, major accident behind me. That was the other day when I was doing another update about tires, and I was telling people about how you have to pay attention, you have to go slower. Performance tires aren't the best type of tires in rain or snow, definitely not snow. And a car behind me lost control and hit another car. So, you know, the dash cam caught that. Luckily, it didn't look like it was serious. And had that car hit me, I would have had the footage to show the police officer, said, look, this guy lost control. He hit me, wasn't the other way around, etc. So protect yourself, all right? You can head on over to www.blackvue.com/shop. and check out all their cameras that they have there. You can use our promo code East Coast Jeep SRT10 for anything over there, for any type of, if you need a SD card, if you need another mount, if you already have one of their cameras, anything that you need, you can use the promo code for 10% off. But let's stop talking about that. For all you new people out there, you're still wondering, what else do I have to do to subscribe, other than subscribe, to enter for this giveaway? So right now, do me a favor and click the subscribe button. That's step one, all right? The second step is there's a link in the description of this video for our Facebook group. If you don't have Facebook, please sign up, okay? For the Facebook group, you need to join. And we do the giveaway on the Facebook group. I used to do it on YouTube, but people would make lots of fake accounts, and it was like, it wasn't fair, okay? Facebook kind of makes it fair because one name, one person. You can kind of tell the fake ones, they got nothing on their accounts, you know, they just started today, etc. So do me a favor, click that link. It's going to ask you for 3 questions. If you don't live on the East Coast, doesn't matter. Just answer the 3 questions that are asked of you when you join the Facebook group, okay? That's it. Now you're a member. All you have to do is wait and watch. There's going to be an announcement made here on the channel. Wow, man, my camera's getting all bleached out. What is going on? Ah, there we go. So it happens when you go through a tunnel. So I'm going to make an announcement, a week-long announcement. Once we hit the milestone, I'm going to be talking about it every day. You're going to get sick and tired of hearing me talking about it. And then that Sunday, we're going to do the giveaway. So when I start talking about it, there's going to be a post and an announcement at the top of the Facebook group page, all right? So when you go on the Facebook group, right at the top, it's going to say, hey, for your chance at winning the giveaway, please comment here. That's all you have to do. Comment one time, hey, hi, whatever you want to say on that thread, and that's the thread we're going to use to select the winner. I use a random number generator. I record everything so you can see that's legit. I keep digital receipts, and I keep all the receipts for when I mail. I mail everything UPS, okay? So you gotta live somewhere where UPS can deliver, and signature required. That way somebody says, oh, I didn't get it. Everything is signature required, and it's insured, okay? We're gonna have runner-up prizes. It'll be cash. You need a PayPal. You gotta be 18 years of age or older, and you have to have at least a PayPal account so I can send you your runner-up prize if you didn't win the dash cam. We're gonna select a couple of winners. It's a big milestone coming up for me. I'm still amazed that a guy like myself has anybody following him, but 20,000 people is insane to me. Just your average blue-collar worker, nobody special. I'm just like you guys, nothing different. Those of you that have met me when we've had our meets, I sit down, I eat, and hang out with everyone. I'm the most average person you could ever meet. There's nothing special about me. Zero. So it's my way of saying thank you and giving back to everyone that supports me. I wish I could do more. The more we grow and the more we can make through AdSense, the more I will give back. The faster we get to our milestones, you know, it's like every 5,000, so at 25,000, 30, 35, etc. The faster we get there, the faster I'll do bigger giveaways. All I can say is the faster we grow, the bigger our giveaways will be. So that's it. Remember, click the little subscribe button, head on over to Facebook, to the group, all right? There's a link. All you have to do is go into the description of this video, click that link, and then answer the 3 questions. I'll approve you later on in the day, or you know, later on in the week. Sometimes I forget to get to it. Don't panic. We've got plenty of time to join, all right? If you have any questions for me whatsoever, don't be afraid to ask. It doesn't matter what it is. Reach out to me below. If you're local, if you're in the Philadelphia or tri-state area, and you want to hang out, we do meets. Well, obviously right now we can't because of the, you know, the whole pandemic. But we are planning one as soon as this all ends. I just said utter. I'm not even gonna edit that out because that's funny. A couple of other YouTubers who are bigger than me want to get together and have one big giant Mopar fest. We're gonna have a huge Mopar meet. We don't know where it's gonna be. It's gonna be on the East Coast. I don't know if it's gonna be here in Philly. It's gonna be in Long Island. I'll keep you guys abreast of the situation once everything starts to get back to normal and we can get out and all hang out again. I'll let you all know. So that's coming. That's already in the works. We've been planning this behind the scenes for a couple of months, me and a couple of friends of mine. So just hang tight, all right? And that's it. Do me a favor, before you go, hit the like button, hit the little bell notification. Once again, don't forget, click subscribe. Last but not least, every single one of you be safe. Stay incredibly safe during this unprecedented time. All right, that's all I got. I'm out.